Carports, garages, barns, or buildings? What is it that you really need? And to help you answer that question, I have Chris McDonald on the phone with us today. How you doing, Chris?
I'm doing great, Ken. How you doing?
Great. Awesome. I'm glad that you could be here. So, Chris, I have some questions that I see come through every day, and I thought you could help answer them.
Sure, anything.
Okay. Um, what are the type of structures that you carry?
Well, as you mentioned, we carry barns, buildings, carports, garages, workshops, whatever you need and whatever you call it, we can do it. It's all of our structures are built with all steel framing. It's galvanized framing, either 12 or 14 gauge, and then there's steel panels that are attached to that to create virtually any structure, just about any structure you could want. There's three different roof types. You've got your regular style, which has a more rounded look to it. The eave actually kind of rolls over the top of the leg about 6 or 8 inches. Then we have the boxed eave, which is a style where it's looks more like a house. It's got an overhang on it about 6 inches on each side. And then you have our vertical roof, which is the exact same profile as the boxed eave, but the difference is that the panels run from the peak to the eave, so they're running vertically. And that's one of my favorites, and I'll tell you why, is because it allows all that water and debris to roll off, so it doesn't hang up there on the ribs. And the other thing that I like about it is that it has additional strength to it because it's got 4 hip channels, primarily to allow somebody to be able to screw those panels into gives it something to hold on to, but it also strengthens the structure.
Okay, so from a simple carport that just covers a car to 4 walls, and does that include windows too? You can put windows in it.
Windows, walk-in doors, roll-up garage doors. We've done just about everything. We can even do just openings where it's just open in the front, where you can just drive in and park your RV or your car or your tractor or your boat, whatever.
Okay, and then obviously barns. I picture your typical red barn. Is there any size constraints there, or is it pretty much what the customer's looking for also?
Just pretty much whatever the customer's looking for. We've got them everywhere up to 54 feet wide by 41 feet long, and those can be attached to each other end to end to where you can even go 82 or longer.
Okay, all right. And so I'm guessing as far as commercial buildings, that would also be the same.
Same thing applies. The commercial buildings, they're a little bit different. They're heavier duty. They're a commercial grade building that utilizes our ClearSpan Eagle Lock system, which is trademark, and that trussing system helps ensure for maximum strength and durability. It's all ClearSpan, meaning that there are no posts. In fact, there's no post in any of these buildings. They're all wide open. There's no load-bearing walls or anything like that. Now, obviously, you have posts on the side walls, but that's it.
Okay, all right. So I was trying to get a picture of that now. All right, so you got the 4 walls, but it's wide open in throughout the rest of it.
Right. You can have 4 walls, or you can have 2 walls, or you can have 3 walls. It's really up to the customer.
Okay, all right. So, well, you're talking about your simple, one car carport to full size commercial building.
Exactly. You can go anything from a little carport that's 5 foot high and 12 foot wide to a warehouse.
Okay. Well, how long have you been providing, these structures for the area?
We've been in the area since 2003. We're a local company, and we work very closely with the local residents here in the business community.
Fantastic! Wow, that's a while. Okay. If somebody wanted to get started, what do they need to do?
Well, the only thing they need to do is pick up the phone and give me a call, and we will walk them through the process. It's very simple. The thing that I like to pride myself on is that I've educated myself over the years so that I can give the best possible advice to my friends and neighbors.
Okay, all right. Now, what's required to get started is, financially.
Financially, there's a deposit. It generally ranges from anywhere from 10 to 20%, 10 to 12%, and then the balance would be due at the after the building has been delivered and set up.
Okay. As far as when somebody places the order till the point of it, the structure getting it installed, how long does that usually take?
It takes anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the structure.
Okay, all right. Well, that pretty much answers all the questions I have. These are the main ones that I get on a continual basis, and I appreciate you helping me answer the questions, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you again soon.
Anytime, Ken, anytime.
All right, take care. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.